Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 GMC Acadia All-Terrain Edition. I'm a huge fan of the Acadia, always have been, always will be. Just the powertrain's a riot. Everything's really great about the Acadia. Especially in this spec. Nice leather wrapped, or leather bordered carpeted floor mats. Really nice leather in this example. Nice, soft and supple. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, we got lucky again. So this one came to, wow, only $47,115, brand new. So this was the all-terrain package off of the SLT1. Which is the 5-passenger seating, rear air vents, advanced all-wheel drive system, hill descent control, roof rails, stuff like that, and the different wheels. The ebony twilight metallic exterior is an option. 6-speed automatic, jet black over Kalahari. That's, oh, what a beautiful spec. Without further ado, let's take this thing on the road. Oh man, I love this. These seats are so nice. These things. For 2020, the Acadia was redesigned. Interior has stayed very similar to how it is here, but the entire exterior has been redesigned. Really nicely done. You can see plenty of power. This also has cylinder deactivation, so when you're just cruising on the highway, it will go into 4-cylinder mode. Wow. They also have nice all-terrain badging on the airbag cover. Really nice as well. Overall feel when driving, it's really good. very luxurious feel to it. I have no complaints at all. Drives like a sub $50,000 luxury crossover should. Steering wheel feels great to the touch. No complaints there. I mean, and the spec is just unreal. This Kalahari leather, I saw this from across the lot, and I knew I had to drive her. Wow. This thing is a riot. Sound system is a Bose unit. Sounds fantastic. This is from our pre-owned inventory, and I could pass this off as a brand new vehicle if it wasn't for the miles. It's beautiful. It's mint. And it drives just like a brand new one. All-wheel drive just claws it out of corners. Actually, you know what? I'll go this way. Pretty cool. You're like right on the runway up here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.